Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Hamster Kombat on Android device. Hamster Kombat is not a standalone application which can be downloaded from your Google Play Store or your App Store, but you can use Telegram application for accessing your Hamster Kombat bot. Simply go ahead and open your Google Play Store on your Android device and make sure that you download Telegram. In the search box at the top, type in Telegram and search. Look for the Telegram application from your search result and tap on Install. Wait for the Telegram app to install on your device, which will take a few minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Telegram application. Now, click on Start Messaging. Go ahead and enter your country code and select your country from the drop-down and tap the next arrow button. Allow necessary permissions from Telegram and complete your verification process. You will then receive a phone call on your provided phone number. You don't have to accept the call. Telegram will process everything automatically. But if the process is not completed automatically, then you can request SMS at the bottom of the screen. Right after you do that, you will be logged into your Telegram account. Now, go ahead and click on the search icon at the top right corner and search for Hamster Kombat bot. You will be able to see a blue tick mark right next to the correct Hamster Kombat bot. Simply tap on it to open up the bot. Click on the play button at the bottom left and click on Start. You will then be able to access Hamster Kombat bot from your Android device within Telegram. So that is how you can easily download Hamster Kombat on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.